Hey there, it's Brian. Today at Kingston, it's a milling machine showdown. Actually, it's not a showdown at all. Today we're going to compare two different models from Kingston's family of conventional milling machines, the KMT3V and the KMT5V. Hey, why has it always got to be a showdown? There are three basic models in Kingston's KMT line, the KMT3V, 4V, and 5V. Here we have the 3V that goes out tomorrow with some accessories on it, and a stock 5V over here. Now between those two, you should be able to extrapolate what a 4V looks like. We'll get to that later. Both machines come with a 10 by 50 inch table, with variable spindle speeds up to 4,200 RPMs, and a 3 3/8 inch diameter quill with 5 inches of travel. Now let's look at the differences. The KMT3V is Kingston's basic model with a 3 horsepower main motor, R8 spindle taper, and dovetail ways. The 5V is built with a 5 horsepower main motor, NT40 spindle taper, and box ways in Y and Z axes. The unseen 4V is a 3V, but with 5V box ways. Now it's time for some real talk. I know sometimes folks wonder when to go with an R8 machine or when to go with an NT40 machine. And that's a big topic, too big for this video. The KMT3V does win on price, especially with tooling. There's a lot of low-cost R8 tooling out there. And if you're already in an R8 environment, you may not be too eager to switch everything over to NT40 taper stuff. But the KMT5V, even though it looks the same, it weighs 900 pounds more than the 3V. Everything is larger diameter in the NT40 taper. It's more rigid due to the longer length of taper engagement. It absorbs more vibration. And the NT40 has positive drive face keys which prevent your tooling from slipping. And there's the 5 horsepower motor, of course. All that means you can take larger cuts. On the other hand, tooling's more expensive. But this isn't a showdown, remember? Now let's look at some of the accessories you can get for the KMT3V. Power feeds for the X and Y axis. You can get that installed on the knee as well. The Newall NMS 800 3-axis DRO. You can get that installed on the quill or the knee. Power drawbar, chip pan, flood coolant system, and this work light too. I recognize there are a lot of choices out there, but I encourage you to take a closer look at Kingston's line of reliable milling machines, the KMT series. If you have any questions or comments, find a local Kingston dealer or reach out to your friends here at Kingston Machine Tool. Once again, I'm Brian. Stay awesome. How was that?